Okay, so when a particle moves in a circle with constant speed, like so, constant speed, okay, constant speed. The acceleration is, it's going to be really tempting to say that there's no acceleration, but there is because our direction's changing. Okay, so it is constant in magnitude, but the direction is changing. Okay, so when we were in linear situations, even 2D motion, our acceleration wasn't changing. It was either constantly like 9.8 meters per second down, or it was like some horizontal situation. Now that we're in circles, our acceleration is changing. It's like always center seeking, but the direction changes as we move throughout our circle. First it's pointing east, then it's pointing northeast, then north, then the next one. Alright, so the direction is changing. So it's not direction, it's the magnitude, the amount. Okay, so that's number one. I hope that helps.